Oh. Oh yeah. Guys, so I'm on the dark side of my garage. And there's the light side. There's the dark side. I think we should change this.
Exclusive.
Oh yeah. All right, got some pieces on the ground connected, and I got some pieces up there. You can already see with just 3 of those how much brighter it is in this corner. Let's go. This is great. This is exactly what I was hoping for.
Exclusive.
Which is, I feel like Tim the Toolman Taylor half the time I do anything. Oh, come on. Ooh. Holy cow, look how bright that is. Dang, that is bright. All right, I like it. I like it. And I just got the small pack too. You can get way bigger. I see a bunch of other people using this. I wanted to try it. And yeah, we'll see how long they last, but I don't need them all the time. Just when I'm making stuff or trying to work on stuff. Oh my gosh, I can see everything. I can see all the garbage on this fake carpet that I installed. Oh my goodness. You guys. Wow. This in place. You can see everything. Wow. This looks incredible. Look at that. Wow, I can just see everything. That's the best part of this. I did not think I was missing that much in that dark little corner. I think I was. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. I have light and I can see things now. Cool. All right. Adios.